Whoa! Good Lord! Welcome back to the channel. I'm working on this, what is the 2013 Grand Caravan. As you can see, it's a 3.6, but what's going on is it won't spin over, it won't crank. It just clicks. They thinking the engine is seized up. Okay, a lot of people say locked up, but seized up. Now, from what I've heard, the customer went under some water, polar water, and maybe water may have gotten into the intake system and made its way down to the combustion area, the cylinder. And as y'all know, you cannot compress water. That's right. You can't. Oh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Whoa. Yes, they are right. Look at all that water coming out of that intake. Wow, it's still coming out. I'm glad I had the recorder running. Water made its way to the intake manifold and possibly inside the engine, y'all. Now, hold on, let me see something. Let me see something. Got the intake. Whoa! Good Lord. Wow. Well, at least I verified that part. How much water? Okay, y'all, like I say, whoa. All that water made its way into the intake. It's likely the engine is seized, but I want to verify. Yeah, whoa, that is soaking wet. You can see water right here. Now, the way water can get into your intake, it will have to come in through here, and of course through the air tube, and of course through the throttle body. Now, unless you ride through a really high puddle of water, that's pretty much, I don't know, there's other ways, but I need to verify if the engine's seized up. So what I'm gonna do, I have my socket down there on the crankshaft, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to go through here with my wrench, with my ratchet, and verify if the engine is seized up, y'all. Alright, so hold tight. Let's find out together if this engine is seized up. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the engine is seized up. It will not turn. Only thing I can do for this car, hydrolock, we don't play around with these type complaints. Look at, here's the intake again. Let me see if there's any left. Yeah, it's, wow. This is what will happen. Your engine will get seized up if water get into the engine. Alright, y'all, I don't want to make this video long. Just want to let y'all see what could possibly happen if water get into your intake. Now, if you driving and you've reached a flood area, I think, me personally, because the intake, let me see something. Here's the air inlet. Alright, it goes down right there. So I say you have probably this much, if bets, this much space. Now the Wrangler, Jeep Wranglers that set up real high, they can pull that off, but something like a Caravan or Dodge Grand Caravan, man, the intake is too low. It's not that the car or the vehicle is low. The intake, air inlet intake hose is too low on this car. So you can easily suck in water, guys. Or suck in, yes, water if you're driving through a flood. See, oil could have easily got sucked into there. The oil probably looked milky. Let me see something. No, not yet. Maybe the engine seized up before they can actually drive it. But at any rate, I can't waste a lot of time on it. Still some in there. I personally have to write up an engine assembly. Not gonna try to repair. Look at that. Not gonna try to repair this car. All right, so that's all I have, man. Let me end this right now. Wow. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.